I will do all these things
I will do all these things
in the spirit and the message of Fatima,
in the spirit of the message of Fatima,
and complete surrender
and complete surrender
to the will of God.
to the will of God.
With the aid,
The aid,
support prayers of the workers
support prayers of the workers,
and members of the apostolate
and members of the apostolate,
and the community of God's people.
and the community of God's people.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Brothers and sisters, a round of applause to the newly elected officers of the National Youth Apostolate on Fatima. Kindly face your brothers and sisters. Ito po sila, ang pinipili ninyo, pinihilang na maging mga opisyalis sa National Youth Apostolate Fatima. Again, a round of applause. Okay, tapos na ang photos. So, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the organizers, especially from the part of Cebu Archdiocese, to the group of Jomar. Thank you, Jomar, for supporting me. And also, I would like to thank also for joining me, Father Narciso from the SPD. He was also in life. And Father, please join me in blessing the people. Please all stand. The Lord